How to use Visa gift card on Walmart online. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can use Visa gift card on Walmart while checking out. So to do that, first of all, log into your Walmart account on the Walmart website, and once you've done that, simply tap on your card, which will be on the top right corner of your screen. After that, simply tap on the option continue to check out. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to this page where first of all, you'll have to enter your details over here, and then under payment methods, you can see that you can pay using all of these different options right over here. So as you can see, Visa is one of them. So if you want to use a Visa gift card over here, what you'll have to do is simply enter your card number over here. And once you've done that, you'll have to select a card type. So it may be EBT, benefit card, or Walmart gift card. So choose whichever card you have. And once you've done that, tap on the option continue. And once you fill out all of the details over here, you'll have successfully used a Visa gift card on Walmart online. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.